Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the essentials of gardening. Whether you're new to gardening or looking to take your garden to the next level, this guide has everything you need to know to create a thriving, beautiful garden right at home. From picking the right plants to managing pests and boosting soil health, let's get you fully equipped to start and succeed in gardening. Location is crucial for a successful garden. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, so pick a spot that gets plenty of light. For those who have limited space or live in apartments, balcony or windowsill gardening is still a fantastic option. Healthy soil is the foundation of any garden. First, identify your soil type: sandy, clay, or loamy. You can get a simple soil test kit to find out your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Loamy soil with a neutral pH around 6 to 7 is ideal for most plants. If your soil lacks nutrients, mix in organic compost or well-rotted manure. This improves soil structure, adds nutrients, and retains moisture, helping your plants grow stronger. Choosing plants that match your climate zone is essential. Research your local hardiness zone, which will help you pick plants suited to your area's temperature and weather patterns. Native plants are often easier to care for, require less water, and attract local pollinators. Proper watering is key. Too much or too little water can harm your plants. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply but infrequently. Water early in the morning so the soil has time to absorb moisture before it evaporates. Consider installing drip irrigation or soaker hoses for efficiency and to prevent water waste. Fertilizers give plants the essential nutrients they need to grow. Organic fertilizers like compost, fish emulsion, and bone meal are great natural options. Make sure to follow recommended amounts and avoid over-fertilizing, as this can burn your plants. Every gardener deals with pests at some point. Natural pest control methods like neem oil, companion planting, and beneficial insects can help. For example, ladybugs love to eat aphids, a common garden pest. Keep an eye on your plants for any signs of disease too. Remove infected leaves to prevent the spread and use organic solutions when possible. Pruning keeps your plants healthy and encourages growth. Remove dead or diseased branches regularly. For fruiting plants, pruning can help improve air circulation and increase your yield. And remember, regular weeding is essential to prevent competition for nutrients. Gardening is a year-round activity. Plan your garden by seasons. In the spring, plant hardy vegetables and annual flowers. For summer, heat-loving crops like tomatoes and cucumbers thrive. Rotate your crops every year to prevent soil depletion and reduce the risk of pests. For those with limited space, container gardening is perfect. Use pots, barrels, or even recycled materials. Make sure containers have drainage holes, and choose potting soil that retains moisture but also drains well. You can grow almost anything in containers: herbs, vegetables, flowers, you name it. The best part of gardening is reaping the rewards. Harvest your crops when they're ripe for maximum flavor and nutrition. For leafy greens, pick the outer leaves to keep the plant growing. And don't forget to take a moment to enjoy the beauty of your garden. And that's it, everything you need to know to start or improve your garden. With the right knowledge and care, your garden can become a thriving oasis. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other gardening lovers. Leave a comment below with your favorite gardening tips, and I'll see you in the next video.